Adverse possession is referred to as the occupation of land to which another person has title with the intention of possessing it as one's own. By law, if a person occupies the privately owned land of another person adversely for a period of 12 years or over, without interference by the rightful owner, then that person can file to acquire ownership of the land. The process to do so, which was once easy and only required an application and a signed declaration by the applicant, was abused with the repetition of falsified information and applications. This prompted the establishment of an act, the Possessory Titles Act. Attorney at law Derek Sylvester, in an exclusive interview with GBN, explained the act and its purpose.
That act basically mandated a procedure wherein persons who claim in property adversely must go through a process. And that is what the process entails. One, a survey must be done, it must be valued, documentation must be filed in court, and you must have two deponents now, plus the applicant, swearing affidavits speaking to the fact that that person has been on the property without any permission, adversely and openly, publicly, and not accounting to anyone in relation to that piece of property.
When attempting to claim land through adverse possession, it is required that the claim be advertised by the applicant. Sylvester explains the reason behind this procedure.
The reason for that advertisement is to give persons who have an adverse interest or who has an interest in that property to come forth there and then and make an application to the court and say either or not that person is speaking the truth or not speaking the truth, or they intend to challenge the possessory title application. If the application is not challenged, thereafter the matter would take its natural course and the person would eventually get a title that would be issued by the Registrar of the Supreme Court.
After a claim has been made and advertised, the original owner of the land or anyone with claims to that land has a 2-month window of opportunity to challenge the claim.
But during the period that the advertisement, during that 2-month period that the advertisement is in the newspaper, you have a right to enter an appearance and basically state the basis of your objection. And thereafter the matter would go to court and a trial may very well ensue. So what the possessory title application does is to ensure that persons who are claiming property are doing so legitimately.
For GBN News, Beverly Telesford.